So welcome to the podcast. Everybody here needs no introduction, of course, except Anubhav. Anubhav is Anubhav
Starts
Pal.
early.
Yeah, Anubhav Pal is. And some of you looked at Anubhav and you went like, "Wow, like David G has lost weight," but
Yes.
that's Anubhav Pal. And
Bengal's most famous
you have lost
comedian.
weight. Yeah, Anubhav Pal is Bengal's most hardworking writer.
After Papa CJ.
After,
I'm not going to say anything.
And Saurav Ganguly.
And Saurav Ganguly,
Saurav
yeah.
Ganguly.
So that's Anubhav Pal. That is, of course, Rohan Sippy. And that is Juhi Chaturvedi, writer of Wiki Donor and Piku. Yes, you guys all know.
Thank you.
And I recently heard she's more Bengali than all of us.
Yeah.
For Piku.
Yeah, fantastic. And of course, you guys all know Mr. David Dhawan. You guys know this guy. And thank you very much for coming. We're going to discuss comedy in film. And I don't think there has been two more inappropriate hosts
Yes.
for a show, for an evening like this. I mean, it's a wide variety on stage, Anubhav, right now. We have two guys who are famous for making dick jokes. We have you. Then Juhi has written just a movie about farts right now. So it's quite a wide variety of comedy on stage.
Rohan produced President is Coming.
Yeah. Which is of course you wrote President is Coming.
Correct.
So without Rohan, basically, I mean, let's face it.
It's very little. I mean, theatre also pays. It's not that. It's
Yeah.
not that bad.
So I'm actually going to begin with. I mentioned these guys earlier. I'm actually going to begin with talking about the process of comedy. सर आपके साथ कभी ऐसा हुआ आप सेट पे हो और आपने कुछ लिखा है और सेट पे हो रही है पर कोई हंस नहीं रहा है. So is that an awkward situation? How do you gauge कि आपने जो लिखा है वो actually funny है?
Yeah.
When you're writing it, you know that ये gag है, यहाँ हंसेंगे.
Correct.
You always time. And when you go back on shoot, and you know your gag is good, and the actor screws it up, you know. तो बोले यार ये सोच के आया था यार ये. And you know what I have to do that time? You won't believe it now I'm telling you. Hero is there, a big hero is there, but I
Govinda.
remove his lines. No, not Govinda. With Govinda, there's no problem. Obviously, he does.
Yeah.
But otherwise, you know, then you have to give 2 lines to Paresh Rawal. So, you know, because you're not getting that, you know. Hero क्या है हमेशा हीरो की तरह करेगा.
Correct.
You know, he will not wants to lose that.
पर ये this is actually one of the questions I wanted to ask sir कि often writer जब director और hero room में होता है तो writer की औकात बहुत कम होती है. You know. So how you know this is also I'm going to bring it to you Juhi after this. But how do you convince an actor that this is funny? हमारे साथ ही बहुत होता है जब हम किसी काम करते हैं कि हमने जो लिखा है भाई ये funny है.
Just do it this way, like we're telling
Yeah, we पहले तो rehearsal is a must, you know. And what I do on a rehearsal is I do the whole scene in one shot.
Got it.
I see the whole scene. मतलब ये नहीं ये कट के बाद में लगा लिया इधर का पहले अच्छा देख लेते हैं let's all. But we have actors like I've worked with Kader Khan, Paresh Rawal, Govinda,
Yeah.
Amit ji. So you know you rehearse with them, but when you have good actors, sometimes क्या होता है हम लंबा लिख देते हैं. We write lengthy. And when you are seeing it and you can make out. So what we do is कि इधर से काट के ये निकाल देते हैं इधर से we do that also.
But कभी एक्टर के साथ कुछ परेशानी होती है कि कोई एक्टर को कभी-कभी लगता है कि जो लाइन लिखी है राइटर ने
बकवास
वो सुबह उठ के लिखी है सोच के नहीं लिखी है.
नहीं वो तो बेस्ट है.
Sir,
नहीं बेस्ट है. I'll tell you about that. सलमान खान सलीम साहब का बेटा है. I worked the maximum 9 films. I don't think anyone will be able to do 9 films. You understand? Yeah. So वो क्या है वो जब सेट पे आता है तो उसके माइंड में एक चीज ये तो नहीं बोलूंगा जो ये बोलने वाले वो.
तो आप क्या करते हो सर?
नहीं वो फिर उसके बाद and he's right at lot of times. He said क्लीशे है यार ये क्या इसको ठीक करते हैं.
सलमान खान कह रहे क्लीशे.
हाँ
Kafi.
मतलब कितना क्लीशे होगा मतलब उसमें excessive level of
Kafi. Never thought that would hear that, huh?
But then you know उसका वो ये बोलेगा लेफ्ट में राइट जाऊंगा.
मतलब सलमान खान ने कहा क्लीशे तो उस क्लीशे का ऑपोजिट होगा मतलब ये अच्छा होगा. सलमान ने क्लीशे कहा ये डेफिनेटली रखना उसके अंदर करके. Do you manage to keep your actors and everyone else in control saying I have written this with a particular thought? Can we just respect the sanctity of the line?
Of the thought.
You know,
Yes.
fortunately, both Vicky Donor and Piku, the script has been so tight. There really has been no scope to change dialogues and scenes. या ये अच्छा है या ये नहीं अच्छा है, ये मैं करूँगा या मैं नहीं करूँगा. But also because Shujit and I have rehearsed it so many times that we have almost made others feel कि इसके अलावा कोई और स्कोप ही नहीं है उनके सामने कर
So Bachchan ji never came on set and like हो गया गैस वाला जोक यार कितने बार करूँ ये
No, but I'll tell you, Mr. Bachchan, I worked twice with him. He never changes a word.
I was just coming to
A
that.
word also.
Yeah, for him, you know, the written word is Bible. That is the word. He will not change. He's a pleasure. He's a delight for writers.
Anubhav, I believe you've had some actor and producer woes when it comes to the joke and the written word being messed around with.
Well, I just remember, I love producers. I love
Of
Rohan
course,
in particular
producers are
was my
amazing.
second producer. And his first movie we did 300 years ago was a film called Loins of Punjab Presents. And I don't know how you all deal with this, but I remember we had a scene where someone had to say something to Shabana Azmi and it wasn't something very nice. But that was a character thing. They would just have to say something. And her assistant said, Madam, आपका एक public image है, लोग क्या कहेंगे? And the director tried to tell him, ये scene है. ये real कुत्ता उसका नहीं है. ये जिंदगी उसका real जिंदगी नहीं है. So I don't know how you deal with this because people have, in this country in particular, the separation between fiction and life is very
yeah.
little.
Yeah.
That, like,
No, it happened to one of the actors who was on Mahabharat. Was caught smoking outside and
Yeah.
got beaten up.
Yeah. Then how can you do
कैसे कर
that?
सकता है यार? It's not fair यार. देखो मैं रोज टेंपल में देखता हूँ ये क्या हो रहा है अभी?
in the old days, villains would find it very hard to get flats in Bombay because they thought that he's. And I remember reading a Ranjit thing where he said, "अरे मैं tax देता हूँ." He came with his tax forms. मेरा underwater hideout नहीं है.
But this happened to be after the roast. मेरे को नहीं मिल रहा था घर. And it was, and my first thought was, wow, मैं और इमरान हाशमी same level हो गया. Like my first thought was sadly that. It was very weird.
देखो जी ये rumor actually when we did a podcast with Mr. John Lever तब उन्होंने बताया था कि अक्सर जॉन लीवर सर को सेट पे बुलाते रहे लंच टाइम पे मतलब जॉनी सर आपके पास 2 और 4 के बीच में टाइम है
आप कुछ करो
हमारे पास ये बस कोकोनट वाले का कॉस्ट्यूम है अब आप फिगर आउट कर लो are these rumors true? There are a lot of times कि improvisation इतनी होती थी सेट पे
There's lots of improvisation is there, but not of this day.
इतना नहीं ये बहुत ज्यादा हो गया
अच्छा जॉनी सर भी मतलब मक्खन लगा के
अच्छा
कर
अच्छा
रहे थे, हाँ।
ये hyperbole comedy
Johnny adds a lot to the
yeah of course इसके ऐसे बुरे दिन भी होते हैं सर कभी-कभी कि जिस दिन सेट पे बस वर्क ही नहीं कर रहा है कि आप
नहीं वर्क कर रहा बहुत टाइम होता है आई एम टेलिंग यू बहुत टाइम होता है बट यू नो वी बिलीव इन इम्प्रोवाइजेशन वी हैव गुड एक्टर्स ना एक छोटा सा सीन को भी बड़ा कर देंगे एंड यू विल बी मतलब दे कैन टेक इट एनीवेयर लाइक दे एक्टर्स कादर भाई वाज देयर परेश रावल इज देयर दे ग्रेट एक्टर्स एट
और आपको वरुण में वो कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं थी सर इसलिए 2 पिक्चर रुके आप वरुण को
सेकंड पिक्चर बनेगी
सेकंड तो आपने रुका कि देख लेते भाई क्या हो गया
वो तो है सर
तो मेरे पास अभी तक कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है अब तक
नहीं इट्स नॉट इजी यार
it's of course it's not easy
द स्कूल ऑफ कॉमेडी इज डिफिकल्ट
are you a big believer in improvisation
Improvisation, yes, but completely bound written script. एक scene has been rehearsed with actors. It's in fact completely opposite to what sir is saying. The process which Shujit and I follow.
You know, you can't rehearse with Sanjay Dutt. You tell me Sanjay Dutt. So when is he going to come first?
तो
Also,
मतलब सेट पे वो टाइम पे आके तो इम्प्रोवाइजेशन हो
But
गया
I'll tell
उसी
you,
के
but
अंदर
I'll
वही
tell you
improvisation
something. Sanjay Dutt and Govinda, I must tell you, what great actors. You come, give the scene. They'll do the best. Add करेंगे, ये करेंगे. Late आएंगे, 1 घंटा पहले खत्म करके निकल जाएंगे.
मतलब आपको जो मिल चाहिए था वो मिलता है कि नहीं कि ऐसे
ज़्यादा
हाँ
मिलता है.
हमारा हो गया करके
नहीं नहीं, just see that record also with them. The pictures which I've done well, they are amazing. I'm telling you, both of them. गोविंदा कभी भी आता था मतलब, but the scene used to go well. Yeah, मतलब they were all of them practically. Well, Salman also. They were all. The timings are great, you know. From afternoon it starts.
But you know, as writers and as people who create content, like validation for your content is a big part of the process, which is कि आप पहली बार लिखते हो. So how did you test your stuff, sir? How did you test all the material?
We had a lot of fights also. We throw the scenes and a lot of things.
Through the scenes only.
नहीं, we don't like a scene.
हाँ.
The guy has written
पर
a
वो
scene.
पेपर पे तो कभी रहती नहीं है तो क्या
नहीं
लिख रहे हो आप? ऐसे
नहीं
बस हाथ घुमा लेते हो.
नहीं नहीं काम नहीं राइटर से बहुत काम कराते हैं हम लोग लिखवाते बहुत है
हाँ. But David sir, you mentioned कि तभी writers होते थे जब जिनके साथ आप लिखते रहे, you know, and I know that often वो टाइम पे you know writers आके pitch करते रहे कि ये वाला नहीं तो दुकान दुकान में साड़ी खरीदने जैसे कि आज ये दिखाएंगे आपको, ये देखो वैसा टाइप का होता था कि मतलब पेटी लेके आते रहे। तो इसमें लाइक एट दैट पॉइंट आई ऑलवेज इमेजिन, क्योंकि अभी प्लेजर जो जोक चुराना बहुत ही इट्स बिकम अ कॉन्वर्सेशन। तो उस टाइम पे एज ए डायरेक्टर आपको कभी डर लगता था कि यार ये वाला तो शायद मैंने कहीं सुना था, या ये वाला मतलब मेरी दादी ने भी मुझे सुनाया था ऐसे, वही अभी वरिड की कोई बोलेगा नहीं तो जोक चुराता है?
बिल्कुल नहीं,
वो टेंशन नहीं था तभी?
नहीं वो टेंशन था ही नहीं।
हाँ,
कॉपीराइट नहीं था, हम लोगों को कभी किसी ने केस नहीं किया। So we were,
पर आजकल नाउ दिस हैज
but
चेंज्ड।
now what is happening? What I have done is being happening.
Yeah, those jokes are now.
I'll tell you the films they've taken of my scenes.
Sir, go for it. खुले दिल
मतलब
से।
जब हम जॉन लीवर सर से बात कर रहे थे ना, सर ने बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बोली थी कि वो अभी वापस स्टैंड अप करना शुरू किया जॉनी साहब ने, बहुत टाइम से नहीं किया था। तो उन्होंने बोला कि आजकल कॉमेडी जो है वो प्रोडक्ट थी, और वो प्रोडक्ट बहुत आसानी से अभी मिलती है लोगों को। मतलब आप फोन खोलोगे तो सबके फोन पे 10 जोक है, आप ट्विटर खोलोगे तो वहां पे बस जोक चलते आ रहे हैं। सो राइट नाउ द वे यू हैव टू डू कॉमेडी हैज स्लाइटली चेंज्ड ओवर द इयर्स। What do you have to say about that? कि when comedy has become a product that's so accessible.
You can't force comedy now. एक होता है ना, एक्टिंग भी लाउड, हर चीज जेस्चर्स। आज there's a lot of realism in film.
Correct.
कि हाँ ये हो सकता है। तो हमारे टाइम में हम बोल रहे हैं हो सकता है। तो नहीं तो मनमोहन देसाई की पिक्चर अमर अकबर एंथनी में तीनों बेटे पढ़े हुए हैं और माँ को दे रहे, एंड यू बिलीव्ड इट, so that is another job. आज मतलब but अभी audience धीरे धीरे they want believability.
I think that there were lots of films that are unrecognized because you see it's only this new generation, right? This ironic, very funny generation that started looking for old stuff and said, like one of my favorite movies was Disco Dancer in the 80s.
Correct.
Right? Which I thought no one thought it was very funny. There was a villain in it who only murdered disco dancers. That was, and imagine if he got a phone call said, "Sir, Bharatnatyam करेंगे?" He's like, "नहीं, फिर सिर्फ disco, तुम राजीव को phone करो." And people threw in plot elements seriously. Like there was a Amitabh father conflict movie where just as a side plot, it's never addressed, he had a car that flew.
The other day I saw a clip of Karishma Kapoor bouncing a football while wearing a tennis outfit
On a golf course.
on a golf course.
It went viral that day. I was like, wow, we never saw this back in the day. Like, maybe we were too
There was a
young
film
to-
I saw in 1989 where a man shoots a man. I can't remember who played it. I think Govinda played it. He shoots someone and a policeman comes into the room and he has one line of dialogue. He says, "Tum to mera nature jante hi ho." And the policeman shrugs and leaves. Which should be the justification for any murder. But then this generation is finding those from the web, from the world, archiving it, making it funny. I think it's also, comedy is also how you repackage it for generations, right? Which is happening now.
David sir, I want to come back to you, sir. Just a couple of questions that have been, really going around in mind and come by head. First, कि जो गोविंदा जी के जो कपड़े थे, जो वो
It's a very deep question.
वो इंटेंशनल था, मतलब जानबूझ के कि इसको येलो और रेड बनाते बहुत हंसी आएगी लोगों को, लाइक वो कि वो एक्सीडेंटली हो गया था, लाइक
Or was that part of the gag?
वो पार्ट ऑफ द गैग कि
It wasn't part
इट
of the
वाजंट
gag.
पार्ट। सो सबको कलर ब्लाइंडनेस थी सेट पे कि क्या हो गया, मतलब
Color balance करने के टाइम तो दिक्कत होता है थोड़ा. Camera.
नहीं बिल्कुल
इट
नहीं.
वाज जस्ट अ पार्ट ऑफ द
Yeah, गाने में
हाँ.
the songs what
Yeah,
he's done.
yeah.
So all went with it.
This brings me to we were talking about this earlier. Ki, before Govinda ji started working with you, he wasn't a comedy actor necessarily. Yeah. He was doing a sort of family dramas and the emotional type
But
of.
he did Swarg with me. Again.
Correct.
Yeah.
So you almost कि आपने आके बोल दिया कि तू छोड़ दे सब.
And this is your
अब चल मेरे पास 15 नंबर 1 वाली पिक्चर ही करते हैं.
नहीं बट मैंने भी कॉमेडी वहीं से शुरू की थी.
करेक्ट. बट इज दैट अ वरी फॉर यू कि अब कभी आपको उठ के मन करता है कि यार बहुत कॉमेडी बना लिया यार, अभी मैं मतलब बहुत ही सीरियस नोवार लाइक avant-garde सिनेमा.
Yeah. Every time I'm an FTI student.
Correct, वही.
So I've seen all that.
वो कैसे हो गया आपके साथ?
और मैंने सोचा ये नहीं बनाऊंगा. क्योंकि इंस्टीट्यूट से जो भी डायरेक्टर पास हुआ है, the list.
करेक्ट.
आया ही नहीं, बॉम्बे तक नहीं पहुंचा.
पर वहां पे आपने देख लिया कि ये जो 10 मिनट की शॉर्ट फिल्म है एक बूढ़ी माँ के बारे में.
तारीफ करनी चाहिए. We enjoy those films. Godard, Fellini, all of them. बट देन यहाँ आके तो आपको शोले ही बनानी है,
Correct.
और आपको रोटी कपड़ा मकान ही बना. फर्स्ट डे ऑन माय इंटरव्यू आल्सो दे आस्क्ड व्हाट यू गोइंग टू. मैंने कहा मुझे इस टाइप की फिल्में बनानी इन द इंस्टीट्यूट.
पर कभी does the audience
Yeah, no, every time when I make a picture which becomes a hit and all, and I come back, अब मैं अच्छी कुछ बनाऊंगा, अच्छी पिक्चर कुछ अलग बनाऊंगा, and रियल कुछ ये वो बनाते बनाते हिलने लग जाते यार, लात पड़ेगा थिएटर में, कोई देखने नहीं आएगा, अपनी कॉमेडी सही है वही आ जाओ.
But actually,
Every time, yeah.
question about that, sir. The filmmaker Dev Benegal told me you have the biggest collection of world cinema in Bombay. Your library, you have
Yeah, I've
Fellini
seen
and
everything,
Godard
all.
and all organized. and yeah.
आप कभी देख के बोलते हो कि
but
इसमें
एक चीज़
गोविंदा होता तो बेटर होता है, ये गॉडफादर वाला.
पर एक बात
फेलिनी नंबर 1 होता.
माफिया नंबर 1.
नहीं, जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि चलती गाड़ी का बोनट नहीं खोलना चाहिए. अपनी गाड़ी चल रही है यार, अब ये बोला सीरियस फिल्म बना यार, काय को यार, पता नेक्स्ट डे फुटपाथ पे चल रहा होगा.
पर सर इतने अभी पूरे इंडिया में इतने बच्चे होंगे जो सोच रहे होंगे कि इतनी फिल्में आई नंबर 1 की, इसका सीक्वल एक भी नहीं बना, नंबर 2 एक भी नहीं आई, उनके ड्रीम्स क्रश हो गए.
नहीं हो सकता है, you never know. बहुत टाइम है अभी भी लाइफ में.
You were saying Anubhav.
I have a question for Rohan actually on Nautanki Sala, because it had a lot of people that we know, Kunal Roy Kapoor and various others.
I think like you two only know Kunal Roy Kapoor. I think that's like, is he your only friend?
Basically.
You keep saying friends. Who are what's these rumored?
Yeah. He's like that lady who casted all your videos.
Yeah.
She's the air hostess, she's the pilot, she's everything.
I swear.
It's just like that.
Whenever she comes on set, she's like, "आज कौन सा गाली बुलवा रहे हो खुद से?"
But Anubhav, I had another question for you as well, just to, so because you also do stand up and because also you also do theater, when you adapt, say a premise or a script or a gag that you've done and you've seen it work live and you adapt it to film, is it harder for you to then say, okay, how is this going to be? Oh shit, nobody's laughing. How do you look
So
at
I'll
that?
tell you a personal experience. When Rohan was kind enough to come and watch President is Coming, the play, and Kunal and I were doing the play,
Of course.
which was in English. Rohan was also producing a really big film, and we got a very tiny room, I remember, to work on, and the big film got the big room, right? All the nice stuff was going on because our film was being made on half the catering budget of that film.
The Dahej film. It's a Dahej film.
And at one point, I think we went up and said, Rohan, we did this, and I think someone told us, English picture bana raha hai, wapas jao. So you know your place, right? I think the biggest thing about adapting is also language, right? A lot of new stand-up comedy in India is the English language stand-up. And I think what you guys have very successfully done is taken the tone of English comedy, the deadpan tone of English comedy, and brought it into the mainstream, right? To have characters hold reactions,
Correct.
to have people just look at each other without any wow music, that stuff was not happening. And I think that when English stand-up comedians start writing drama, like you guys are doing, then mass audiences are like, that's really funny.
No, but one thing I want to ask you people. See, when you're acting, how you say your lines. You think the laughter, the comedy is the way you're saying the lines, or it's written like that?
First of all, sir, ये लोग कभी हंसते तो है नहीं, पर जब कभार I think it's a combination of two, because I think stand-up is two professions mixing. One is the writing and one is the comedy. और ये ऐसा बहुत होता है कि खंबा की कोई जोक अगर मैं करूँगा तो वो वर्क करेगा ही नहीं. I think stand-up comedy में comedian का personality plays such a big part of this thing. You can't go from making like, बीवी और husband के बीच में होता है तो suddenly, जब लोग मर जाते हैं तब कितना funny होता है. Like you can't make that transition. Whereas some comedians, like खंबा बहुत ही edgy और dark comedy करता है stage पे, which goes with his personality. But I don't think I can pull that off. It's one of those things. What do you think?
No, I agree. Like, for example, Mirko, like, he is very good at, for example, also using his face to express emotions. And my face is paralyzed. I can't move. This is my one expression. So he can do a lot of jokes and gags, which he will be like, ये पढ़, and I'm like, ये तो बकवास है, ये तो बिल्कुल काम करेगा ही नहीं है, तो क्या है घटिया लिखा है, and then he pulls it off and gets applauses, and फिर मेरे को शर्म आती है, मैं कहा यार मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ. So I think it's right.
Actually अच्छा है, तूने इसकी तारीफ की, तेरी
सर
ये
थोड़ा
मतलब-
मीडिया इंटरेक्शन हम सीख रहे हैं सर, थोड़ा बहुत आ गया।
यहाँ पे भी लगे हुए।
नहीं पर रोहन आशीष दोनों बकवास, like, कोई फर्क ऐसी कुछ नहीं है वो।
डेविड जी, दो चीजें जो हमेशा एक्टर गलत करते हैं कि ये देख के क्या बोलता है, अरे यार ये एक्टर आ गया वापस, लाइक टू थिंग्स दैट एक्टर्स ऑलवेज गेट
इन
रॉन्ग
कॉमेडिक सीन्स।
इन कॉमेडिक सीन्स, जो हमेशा
Like what?
आई एम आस्किंग कि दो कौन सी चीजें हैं जो एक्टर हमेशा गलत, आपके हिसाब से दो चीज याद रखना चाहिए कॉमेडी करते समय, यू नो समथिंग जो हमेशा एक्टर्स करते हैं और आपको इरिटेट होता है कि एक्टर क्यों कर रहा है?
लाउड हो जाता है कई बार। ही इज डूइंग इट वेरी वेल। अचानक टू एम्फसाइज हाथ चलाने लग जाता है कई बार, फिजिकल भी हो जाता है।
हाँ, मतलब ठाकुर साहब अगर शोले में हाथ चलाने लग गए तो इशू हो जाता था
They
काफी।
get physical also.
ठाकुर साहब कंट्रोल, आपके
Very
पास हाथ
big
नहीं
actors,
है।
I'm telling you. And it's very irritating when you're seeing it also कि कितना अच्छा चल रहा था, ये क्यों हिल रहा है? मतलब इसको उनको समझाओ भी तो
संभल के बोलना पड़ता है।
नाराज हो जाएंगे, उनकी एक्टिंग खराब हो जाएगी।
Pal, what have you noticed in the industry, CP Saab and Pal Saab?
I think if they start enjoying the joke, that for me kills it. If they
they
in
stop-
on it, I think for me
Yeah.
the kind of comedy I like is it's not funny to the characters
it.
who it's happening to, but that often is the tendency, and especially if you've done it a few times, and then they're getting comfortable with it. That then you see it in the rush in the edit, and you're saying it's just not working now because of that. I think that for me would be one thing that definitely I would want to steer actors away from.
And I think either we had gone to see something, and I think somebody, there are lots of scenes in movies where people are enjoying. They're on a boat, they're drinking, they're enjoying. They crack some half-ass joke to each other, and they start laughing. And I was with, I think, Kunal, we were there, and someone said,
of course.
right before we started kissing.
Guy, after this show, everybody needs to hug Anubhav and pass their phone number and make plans.
Yeah, I need a new Kunal. So at one point, someone said, they are enjoying, but we are not enjoying.
Before we open it up to the audience, this is a question that some of the folks at the Abbey office told me that if I don't ask, they will kill me. There's a line by Mr. Pappu Pager, which was, हटा सावन की घटा खा खुजा बत्ती बुझा निंटुकले पिंटुकले आंटीली पे आंटी खड़ी है कब से बजा रही है घंटी उठले पुटले दक्षिण की ओर और चल बाहर छोड़ के आ. What was happening when this line was being written?
क्योंकि कुछ तो फूका गया होगा। कुछ तो हाँ।
ना निंटुकले पिंटुकले आंटीली पे आंटी खड़ी कब से बजा रही है घंटी उठले पुटले दक्षिण की ओर चल बाहर छोड़ के आ.
क्योंकि उसके अंदर वास्तु एडवाइस भी है कि तू दक्षिण की तरफ निकल ले।
It's about Antilla.
This is not Pappu Pager, this is Govinda Hussain.
This Govinda was saying this, correct?
And it's his lines.
Yeah. What was this like when you used to think of gags like these which were unimaginable?
What was going
almost?
on? He was the bhai and he had come for a sopari and all. And when they acted tough and all, he becomes a bhai.
But you've invented a new language, sir.
Arre, this was what claps hai. वो
Pardon?
मतलब
Yeah,
I
it
can't
did.
tell you
What
this.
pardon? Come to my garden.
Yeah. I mean, James Cameron got so much credit for Avatar for inventing a new language.
No,
This also deserves it.
Even
Yeah, like-
Anupam, the father enters there. He said, "ये तू कहाँ से सीखा ये?"
All right, guys, we're going to open it up for the audience. Let's do it. Can we pass you?
Hi. My question is to the producers, David sir and Ramesh. Sir, जैसे यहाँ पे
I'm not a producer. I'm so happy. Can't you see?
He has more hair than.
सर जैसे शुरू में महमूद साहब भी रोल कर लेते थे सारे सीरियस रोल भी करते थे फिर धीरे धीरे वो एक बाइफिकेशन आ गया कि कॉमेडी वाला कॉमेडी ही करे अब जैसे धीरे धीरे हो रहा है तो क्या आगे अब दोबारा से आप कॉमेडियंस को हीरो लेना शुरू करेंगे क्या मतलब अब जैसे तन्मय खंबा इन लोग का इतना नाम है
ये planted question था, I'm sure.
Yes, because that is Zakir, who is also a stand-up comic.
Yeah.
And he is embarrassing.
We can make short films, you know.
What
Good answer.
will be called? Bakchod number 1. Like what? What would be the title of?
Yeah, but
Yeah, but you know, I'll give you a big example of this, what you said. See, in the South, one of the biggest directors today, rather he's the biggest director of Bahubali. He made a film before this film, before Bahubali, and the actor in that film was Sunil. He is a comedian there. He was the main actor, and picture became a major hit there, which was later made in Hindi with Ajay Devgan. Which was that?
Son of Sardar.
Son of
Son of
Sardar.
Sardar.
That same role.
Yeah.
So that is, he's a comedian, you know.
मतलब साउथ में हुआ तो 4-5 साल में यहाँ भी हो जाएगा टेंशन
नहीं हो सकता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं
सकता
है. Yeah.
But you still have the, like, Oh My God is a good example. Paresh is carrying, I mean, there's lighter elements, but he's definitely carrying the
No,
film.
Kapil ने अभी किया है.
Yeah, Kapil also.
Kapil has done it. The film has
Yeah.
done well.
Yeah.
Done pretty well. The film has done. It's earned.
बेसिकली गलत सवाल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, what do you think is the difference or the similarities between comedy in film and the other avenues like YouTube or TV?
व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस पाल
Wow. I think you have to finish the story in a film, right? You have 2 hours. You have to beginning, middle, and end conflict resolution, right? I mean, do you agree? Yeah. And Rohan, you've done both.
And obviously you got to come to the theater, pay for the ticket, and watch the whole film.
Yeah,
In
on
YouTube and all, you can
you
just
just
switch
have
it.
to depend on your Wi-Fi.
Close.
That's what Dhawan साहब first said as soon as he came inside. तो पिक्चर बनाने में लोगों को टिकट खरीदना पड़ता है उसमें हाँ. Like people have to watch you.
You don't have to end a film with please comment, like, and subscribe. Like, neither on TV. Actually, TV.
But it's a very interesting question because there are 2 things happening now. Like with what you guys are doing, 5-minute, 7-minute stories told entirely, and then there's now this pictures type of stuff
Yeah.
where let's tell a whole story where I'll only give you 7 minutes of the information now. Good jokes, very funny, etc. But that whole so I think episodic things you just stretch the people out, the story, the characters.
I think it's about expectation, no? Rohan, what do you think? It's about expectation, which is when you अगर आप वीडियो दिखता है कि you know sneezing panda whatever it is और आपने sneezing panda पे क्लिक किया और वो 4 घंटे की डॉक्यूमेंट्री निकली sneezing panda पे तो बहुत अपसेट हो गई लिंक पे आपसे ये क्या कर दिया तूने मैं तैयार नहीं था इसके लिए सो जब एक्सपेक्टेशन बिल्ड होता है जब आप लोगों को पता है कि ये 3 मिनट का ये छोटा सा जंक फूड है मैं लेके निकल जाऊंगा दैट्स द एक्सपेक्टेशन यू हैव टू सेट
ये मेरे साथ वो डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म फेस्टिवल पे हुआ था 3 साल पहले. वो लास्ट फिल्म एट एनसीपीए वाज नरगिस. आई थॉट इट बी अ बायोपिक. वो साइक्लोन नरगिस के ऊपर पिक्चर निकली और 2 घंटा ऐसे बैठ के कि बर्मा में लोग मर रहे हैं बहुत ही खराब निकल भी नहीं पाए. But yeah, Tanmay is right. I think when you see a 5-minute thing, you're like, okay, I'm going to consume this and I'm going to go.
You're invested far less, and it's something to kill time, whatever.
In film, people will give the film the opportunity कि ठीक है ये वाला गैग नहीं अगला वाला
First half नहीं तो second half होगा कुछ.
3 मिनट के वीडियो में अगर 2 मिनट तक आप हंसे नहीं तो बोले ये क्या है ये मतलब पागल है ये लोग what is wrong with them? No, it's all about expectation. Next question, please.
Earlier there were on TV we had decent different comedies like Dekh Bhai Dekh, Shriman Shrimati kind of soft comedy, and at that time we used to get plays from Pakistan like Bakra Kishtope and all, which is actually a insult comedy, which is now Kapil is using frequently. The insult comedy, so I personally think it like it lowers down the level of comedy, and if a lot of people follow that, saying that I need to insult somebody to make others laugh. So that kind of stuff, what do you think about it?
Asking the right 2 people.
You guys don't know anything about that.
I think it's if you just don't watch it, man. Like it's as simple as that. Oh, you think it's lower form? Don't watch it. It's as simple as
I think it's a very so here is my opinion on it. I think anybody who tries to distinguish between anybody who says clean comedy is better is inherently flawed. I think different people enjoy different types of comedy. अगर आप stand up की बात करो, the same person who says I only watch clean comedy and then they say who are your favorite comedians, then they will say Richard Pryor and George Carlin, जो तो बहुत ही क्लीन थे. तो मतलब जो बोलता है सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी इनहेरेंट डायकॉटमी ऑफ पीपल. आई थिंक हमें थोड़ा हम वो वैल्यू करते हैं साफ सुथरा whatever, but it's very weird because in the history of comedy, if you look at insult comedy, it's a specific genre which is on its own. I don't think it's higher or lower. So I don't think people need to make that mistake of equating them.
For example, puns, wordplay are huge in India. Yeah. They're huge. Everybody loves it. Yeah. People refer to jokes as puns. Yeah. they actually come and say कि इसमें थोड़ा 2-3 pun डालो, and I'm like pun कैसे? मेरे को joke डालना है. But across the world, it's looked at as the lowest form of humor. So would you like it to be judged by what kind of comedy you enjoy? Naturally not. So I think everything has its own market, man. Everybody will find what they want to. As long as you are not being surprised कि आप घर पे brush करो और कोई आके आपको कान में कि कैसा brush करता है करके निकल रहा है. I don't think until then I think everybody is safe and everybody has the option of doing what they want.
And see, that's the thing. What you just did, right? Like, what's insulting to somebody? I mean, without conflict, you don't have any comedy. I think what people are creating is conflict. There are levels of conflict. If two people are, आप कैसे हैं? मैं बहुत अच्छा हूँ. आप बहुत अच्छा हूँ. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye. कौन देखेगा? कोई आप देखेंगे. But beyond that, nobody, right? If someone comes to you,
And one of my favorite shows, Blackadder, is like one of the high forms of insult comedy.
Yeah.
You know? So it's just, I think if it comes across in the right way, it connects
But
to you.
insult is also very high level of understanding of that human being.
Yes, to know what to insult and what will hurt the other person is also.
I think it's very high level.
yeah, because that person is agreed to be there.
Yeah. The problem I have with this clean comedy is the only form of comedy is because very often clean comedy is the most damaging to a society. I'll give you an example. Your number one comedy show on TV right now is Comedy Nights with Kapil. Comedy Nights with Kapil does far more damage than a AIB roast will ever do to society because you are reinforcing that if your wife's lips are fat, that is not good. You are reinforcing that if Deepika Padukone comes on set, she's better than my wife. And I think that is far more damaging than a bunch of dick jokes on stage, you know.
And it's also clean while doing that. Basically, what I want to end is on air with AIB Sunday night, Staples Tower, 10 p.m.
And Hotstar.
All right, that's going to be the last question for the day. Thank you very much, everyone. Can we please thank everybody? Anumab Pal, ladies and gentlemen. Rohan Sippy, Jui Chaturvedi, and the one only Mr. David Dhawan. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. And I hope you have a great mommy.